to go where no man has gone before, to travel to the far ends of the galaxy, to take a ride on a roller coaster through the Amazon jungle, or to fight alongside your brothers and sisters against an alien invasion. Virtual reality. An open portal to an endless string of worlds where the boundaries are limited only by the imaginations of men and women alike. Endless possibilities. And we at Nunulo possess the skeleton key to these multiverses. How, you ask? We have created the world's first VR head mount equipped with a lens specifically engineered to adjust to each person's visual acuity. You see, the eye has two naturally occurring functions that work together in order for us to see. One of these functions is convergence, and the other is accommodation forced to focus. Needless to say, one function cannot work without the other without causing any problems. Now, most VR head mounts on the market offer adjustments which only apply to one of these functions, which is convergence. And in many cases, users as a result have experienced nausea, headache, and disorientation after just 10 to 15 minutes of use, regardless of the individual's eyesight. Glasses or no glasses, because each individual eye is distinctly different from the other. The way in which we experience VR world depends entirely on the lens. The NunuloVR lens was designed specifically for that purpose. The Nunulo lens adjusts for both convergence and accommodation forced to focus, allowing the user to adjust the lens specifically to his or her precise settings. It's as simple as turning the dial to the setting that your eyes desire. And be it a movie or a game, for the first time ever, we can now enjoy the VR experience more comfortably and for an extended period of time. Don't believe me? Just ask these folks. Watch as our two subjects used the Nunulo head mount for the very first time. Subject A has normal eyesight, while Subject B wears glasses. Try it on. Notice how Subject A has no problem with our head mount, but when Subject B tries it on, she has difficulty viewing the screen. By simply turning the knob on each lens, she can adjust it to her unique visual setting. And now, she can enjoy the VR experience to her pleasure. Thank you, and thank you. Is the NunuloVR head mount revolutionary? Virtual reality. Now that's revolutionary. If anything, what we have done is given everyone more time to experience virtual reality. And that, my Kickstarter friends, makes sense. Just try it on.